Hi, this is Fred Meyer, and I'd like to teach you quickly how to use the Ziji Collective Wiki. The Wiki is a collaboration tool on the Ziji website that we can use to all contribute information and ideas in a central place, and you don't have to be logged in or have any sort of special access to do it. So the wiki is located at resources, or you can just type in zijicollective.com/wiki, and those things both take you to the same place, which is the wiki homepage, the main page. And all wiki pages are editable, so you edit any page just by clicking edit, and that takes you to this window here, which is kind of the same editor window that WordPress uses. If you've ever used that, it's a little bit like Microsoft Word. You can just type into it, and then you can do some other stuff like make things bold or even insert images and things like that. So right now I'm just going to make one quick change, which is I'm going to go ahead and remove the Antarctica group because we're not in Antarctica yet, and I'll click save. And the changes may take a couple of seconds to save, but when they do, okay, then you see that the page itself is updated. And here I'm not logged into the Ziji website at all, so you don't have to be logged in to make changes. All right, so that's a very quick and simple text change. And what I'm going to show you is something a little more complicated, which is first how to create a page and then how to link to that page from another page. So first I'm going to go create, and I'm going to call this test page for video demo. I've never used the subtitle thing, so I'll probably just leave that alone for now. And let's just write a couple paragraphs of text. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, okay. And when we're ready, we can save our new page. And so we've got a new page running here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the link in my URL bar, and I'm going to copy it. I right-clicked and hit copy. And now if I want to link to this from another page, I can just go to that page. So I went back to the home page, and on this page I want to link to the page that I just made. So I'm going to go, why don't I put it in core information, and I'm just going to write out link to new page, and then I'm going to highlight what I want to link to and do this little thing, and then paste the link that I just captured from the page I created. Now when I save my changes, we have a link to this brand new wiki page that I've just created. And we can go on and edit this as much as we want. We can put as much information on it as we want. So a page with some, with some actual information on it might look like the getting started page for how to start your own Ziji group. So obviously you can really build out quite a bit of information on there, and you can use nice heading elements to make it clear what sections and subsections exist. So maybe if I make a couple of these heading 2s, which is pretty big, then when I save it and wait a couple of seconds, then they actually center. So a heading 2 is very large. These are heading 4s, so they're somewhat smaller. And again, you just kind of edit it a little bit like you would with Microsoft Word, although it probably is a little bit trickier to use than Microsoft Word, and it takes a little more getting used to. So that's the basics of how to make changes to the Ziji wiki. And again, I'm really hoping that we can all use this to really weigh in on, for example, how to start a Ziji group, or what social organizations in society we support. So have at it, please. Let's build out the wiki together. And if you have any questions, you can I suppose find me on email. My email, which I will type as I talk, is fredclaymeyer@gmail.com. Yeah, so if any questions come up, I'd be absolutely happy to talk to you. Okay, thanks for listening.